Right, today we're going to be doing the bowline knot. It's really easy. It's been called the most useful knot in the world, and it is really practical. So here we go. First of all, you make a bite like that. Then you want to make a loop by curling it up underneath like that. Then you get your working end, poke it through that little loop like that, bring it underneath, around the back, and then poke it back through that little loop, and then pull it tight, and that is your bowline knot. Now, is it called bowline or bowline? Well, say it how you like, but apparently the correct way of saying it is bowline. I mean, it doesn't really matter as long as you like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.